Kia ora te whānau. Ooh, I can hear the wind tooting through the trumpets, which means it's Toi Time. Hoa ke tātou.
Toi Time!
Oh, kia ora te whānau, ko mai a tōku ingoa, and I'm a beautiful pūrere hua, a butterfly fluttering on the wind.
Ooh. Oh, kia ora. Oh, ko riki ahau, and I'm flying my kite in the wind. My auntie sent this to me from China.
Shin coming!
Wow, Jojo!
Oh, where did you come from?
12,000 feet that way. I jumped out of a plane and had 30 seconds of free fall before my parachute opened and floated down on the wind. It was awesome.
Cool ride.
So we all used the wind to get here today.
Ai, ngā mihi kia koe, tāwhiri mātea.
Who's that?
Tāwhiri mātea, atua o ngā hau.
Guardian of the wind.
Ah, well then of course. Thank you, Tāwhiri Mātea, for the wind that flies my kite.
And floats my
And
parachute.
flutters my wings.
Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Windy, blowing through the tall trees. Windmills, give us all the energy. Sea breeze, we need it when we're sailing. Tāwhiri Mātea, he's the autua of the wind. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Windy, makes me wanna fly my kite. Sky high, watching all the clouds go by. Twisters, the biggest type of wind there is. Let's make a wish and blow out all our candles. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around. Do the windmill dance, do the windmill dance. Put your arms in the air and spin them around.
Birds using their wings to fly on the winds is one of my favourite things in the whole world.
Mine too. And there are so many different types of birds. What sort of bird wings have you made, Maya?
Oh, mine are the wings of a tui.
Oh, how beautiful. Mine are the wings of a pipi wharauroa. What about you, Aroha?
Mine are the wings of a kiwi. See?
Your wings are really cool, Aroha, but kiwi can't fly.
They can't.
Kao.
But kiwi are birds. Birds fly. That's what birds do.
Not all birds can fly, Aroha, and it's one of the things that make kiwi so special. Hey, Mōhio, please could you tell us the story of how kiwi lost their wings?
Of course, Maya. A long time ago, the forest was full of trees, but the bugs on the ground were eating the trees and making them sick. Tāne Mahuta, the guardian of the forest, needed help.
There are too many hungry bugs on the forest floor. They are eating the trees and making them sick. Something must be done. Tui! Kiwi! Kiwi! Pūkeko! Pipi wharauroa! Listen carefully. I need one of you, Manu, to come down and live on the forest floor to eat the bugs and save the forest. Who will come?
The birds looked up at the beautiful sunlight flickering in the treetops, then down to the cold, dark forest floor.
Tui, will you come down to the forest floor?
Carl, it's too cold and dark down there. I'm afraid of the dark.
Pūkeko, will you come down to the forest floor?
Carl, it's too damp down there and I don't want to get my feet wet.
Pipi wharauroa, will you come down to the forest floor?
Oh, Carl, I'm too busy building my nest for the family up in the treetops.
Kiwi, will you come down to the forest floor? If you do, you will lose your wings and never be able to fly again.
I will do it for the forest.
Kiwi, because of your bravery and great sacrifice, you will be the most well-loved bird of them all.
From that day forward, brave Kiwi stayed on the forest floor, eating the bugs and saving the trees. Koe mutsu. The end.
Oh, kia ora my cuzzies. Ko Buzz the Cuzzaho, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm playing with these instruments. Can you guess what they all have in common? That's right, they're all wind instruments. They all require wind to be played, and the wind will be coming in the form of my breath. Let's have a look at them. Look at this cute little one. It's in the shape of a manu. It looks like a woodpecker. Let's see what it sounds like, eh? Whoa, that sounds so cool. Gotta do it again. Whoa, you're amazing, little Manu. Okay, what's next? Oh my goodness, the recorder. I love this instrument. My mum loves it as well too. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, what do we have next? We have this one. This one sounds like this. That sounds like a raki ne. It sounds like a duck. I could probably call the ducks with this. Come here, duck. Come here, duck. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, look at this beautiful one. Let's hear it. Whoa, and look at all the beautiful colours it has as well too. Amazing. Next up is a tonga puoro. I call this one a putorino. Okay, let's see what it sounds like, eh? Oh. Sometimes, when you can't play it right, you just have to adjust your mouth around and the pressure of your breath to find its rangi. Maybe this way. that sounds a little bit better. I've got to keep practicing. Maybe if I practice enough, I can become a master at playing the putorino. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, this is a bottle that I found. I wanted to see if I could make this one sing. No. Whoa, that made a really deep sound. Okay, what's next? Oh, another tonga puoro. Ah, check this one out, my cuzzies. This is called a pū moana. It's really, really special because it actually comes from the moana. It comes from the bottom of the ocean. I love this one because it looks so awesome as well, too. Listen to the way it sounds. Pretty flashy. Oh, I love these instruments. Hey, which one's your favourite? This one? That one? Oh, you like the manu? I like the manu as well too. It makes such an awesome sound. I think my favourite is the putorino though. Even though I can't play it yet, I still love it because I know I'm going to practice my hardest and become a master at playing the putorino. Hang on a second, I've forgotten one instrument. It's the harmonica. Listen to this. Hold on. One more try. Still got it. Ka kite anō e te whānau. All right, now to master the putorino.
Kia ora, my darlings. I'm Auntie Anika, and you might have noticed that I'm not my usual sunshiny, sparkly, happy self. That's because my puku hurts. Ow! Your puku can hurt for a few different reasons. Sometimes it's because you're sick. Sometimes it's because you ate something you're allergic to, but my puku is sore because of... it's full of wind. It won't come out. It happens sometimes, so here's what to do when you just can't fart. Start by giving your puku a gentle massage in a circle, like this. Or you can put something warm against your puku too, like a hottie. See? Oh, that's lovely. You could try yoga. This one is called the wind relieving pose. Ooh. Oh, that's nice and relaxing. Or a warm bath might help too.
Auntie Anika, your bath is ready. I put lots of bubbles in like you asked.
Thanks, Maya. I'm coming. Hey. What do you call a farting fairy? Stinkerbell.
Whoa!
Whoa! Wing Commander Wolfie! We seem to be encountering some turbulence.
Coffee there, Captain Oma. Whoa! What's turbulence?
Turbulence is when a plane bumps around a bit in the wind.
Oh, it's bumpy and fun.
We're through the turbulence.
Phew. I missed the turbulence, Captain Oma.
Oh, that's good, Wing Commander Wolfie, because there's more turbulence up ahead.
Go down the way like...
So where are all the toys, Buzz?
Oh, here, and here.
I've got all of those too.
Yeah, that's good because it's Tākaro time. And today we're playing Dancing with the Wind.
Oh, I love that. How do we play?
Oh, it's easy. Hey, Mohio, could you please play us some dance music?
Of course, Buzz. DJ Mōhio at your service.
I call this one the kōwhai because you move your arms like a kōwhai tree blowing in the wind. Go. Oh, I'm a branch.
Wow, how beautiful.
Be the leaf. Be the leaf. Oh. Hey, can you play something super fast now, Morgio? I call this one the Buzzer Nova. It's a bee zooming around in the breeze. Oh, it's so windy out here today. Where's the honey? Where's the honey?
Buzzy beats.
Take it back to my queens. Hey, now could you play some disco music, please, Morgio? Oh.
Oh, this one's my favourite so far, Buzz. What do you call it?
Oh, I like calling this one Chick in the Wind direction. Oh, it's coming from this way. And that way. And this way. And that way. Hey, last but not least, Morgio, please could you play us a waltz? May I have this dance, please, Jojo?
Oh, Buzz, I'd be delighted. Whoa! We're spinning around and around like a tornado.
That's why I call it the tornado waltz.
Wow, your dance moves really blow me away, Buzz.
We've been waiting for the wind to pick up. Buzz the buzz and I want to fly. Fly our kites. Fly our kites. Buzz the buzz has a lovely blue kite, and mine is white. Fly our kites. Fly our kites. It's a lovely hot day, it's so windy. My hat just flew right off my head. Our kites are flying high, so high in the sky. Flying our kites. We are at the beach, the wind is blowing the leaves. We are having such a blast. When suddenly a gust of wind picks us up. Now we're flying like kites. It's a lovely hot day, it's so windy. My hat just blew right off my head. Our kites are flying high, so high in the sky. Flying our kites. We're flying our kites. We're flying like
We're going on a visit to Inflatable World today. There's heaps of slides. Some things are a bit tricky to climb. Everyone's trying their best. Sam and Hadley are loving the cannons. Everyone's having a really good time. There's things to climb. There's slides. We've had a great time today.
Kia ora te whānau. This is Finn.
Kia ora.
Finn is an expert at lots of things that kids need to know how to do. What are you going to show us today, Finn?
How to zip up your jacket.
Oh, that sounds good. It's windy today and our jackets will help us keep warm at the park.
Put the zip into the box. Pull it down so it's straight. Then hold the jacket in one hand and pull the zip with your other hand.
Done. Thanks, Finn. Let's go.
There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds can we see? Pea waka waka are so small in size, spreading its tail like a fan as it flies. Listen for Tui, its beautiful tune. They talk like a person, don't believe me, it's true. There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds can we see? Up in the mountains we'll find care at play. A mischievous bird causing trouble all day. Down in the forest, Kiwi hide in the shrubs. They come out at night to fill their belly with bud. There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds can we see? Puteketeke are such a rare sight, with beautiful feathers, black, orange and white. These birds are a treasure we need to defend. We'll take care of their habitat, 'cause these birds are our friends. There are so many birds in Aotearoa. Come walk with me and I can show ya. Hiding in the forest, flying high above the trees. What kinds of birds can we see?
Are you going to fly your kite today, Ricky?
Well, I was going to, but there's no wind. And it got me thinking, how do we even know the wind is there? It's invisible.
You're right. The wind is invisible. But there are lots of ways to know it's there.
Like what?
Well, you can see the wind as it moves through the trees.
Oh, that's true. And sometimes you can hear the wind too.
Aye, and sometimes when I'm near the sea, I can taste the salt water in the wind.
And sometimes the wind brings yummy smells from the kitchen into my nose. Reka. Oh, is that fresh bread I can smell?
Aye, I'm baking it for lunch. It's ready. Tēnā koe tāwhiri mātea for the wind that dries our clothes.
I just thought of another way to know that the wind is there, Maya. When you feel it on your skin.
Oh, it's like a soft hug from nature.
Ooh, except when there's a storm, and there's a storm hug.
Oh, can't breathe.
Hi. We're taking care of a foster dog for a week.
Hello.
His name is Mercury. He likes a cuddle. He gets up to lots of mischief. I have to chase him around all the time. But he does love cuddles and pats. Good boy. Chill time now. Let's see if he wants any food. He loves food. Really, really, really loves food. We all really love Mercury. Mercury is a lot of fun. He loves playing with his toys. I really love taking care of foster dogs. He's very, very, very strong though. It's actually quite hard to get them back. Come on, let go. Our foster pup is so cute. I love playing with him. Bye!
Hi there, I'm Frank, and welcome to Story Time. This is a story about the wind. In the wonderful city of Wellington, a wild wind was blowing. Outside, the trees swayed in the gust and the drafts whistled through the houses. Jean and Joy loved the wind. They put on their warm coats and got ready to walk to school. But as they stepped outside, a big breeze blew, raising their hair and puffing up their coats like a parachute. I feel like I could fly, giggled Jean, flapping her arms like a bird. What if we could, said Joy, as she watched the leaves flutter off the trees, carried away in the wind. What if we had a big umbrella? The wind could carry us like those leaves, said Joy. Imagine that, laughed Jean. Jean and Joy imagined holding on to a gigantic umbrella as the wind swept into the fabric and lifted them up, 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 right off the ground. High over the rooftops they flew, looking down at the streets below. There's our school, pointed Jean. That was much quicker than walking. But as they neared the school, another big gust of wind pushed them up again, carrying them towards the hills. We're going to fly all the way to the zoo, cried Joy. They could see the animals in the enclosures, the monkeys bouncing in the swaying trees and the lions shaking their manes in the breeze. Not today, Mr. Lion. We need to go to school, called Jean, waving at the lion. Mum put a hand on Jean and Joy's shoulders, pulling them out of their imaginations. Maybe we'll drive to school today, she said. That sounds like a good idea, laughed Jean and Joy as they climbed into the car. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whā soifua.